Another Georgia Suffolk construction update, and check this out, y'all. The train has finally arrived. After so long, it's finally here. They honestly could have opened this, like maybe without the water, but they could have had this operating this year, just without the water stuff. Maybe they could have showed it during the water show and grand opening, then turned it off. Or they could have had it running for a little bit. But look at this. Nice train. Train looks really nice. It looks like it's 10 seats per one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's like 10 seats per car, so about 20 people per ride could get on this. But man, that's awesome. It's finally here. Look at the restraint. They're like Daredevil's little lap down bar. Wheels. See the design of it too. I'm giving you guys every detail. Yeah, the train looks really nice. I cannot wait, guys. Hopefully they start doing some testing soon. Look at that. Hopefully we see some testing going on soon. If they do that this year, they should. The train's out here. They got it strapped down. Looks good. Like, here's another angle of it. Really nice. You can see them over here working on it, doing something to the control gate, but the station's still not done. So they still got some work to do, but they finally got the train. Finally, after so long. Hopefully we see testing soon. I keep you guys updated for testing videos. Hopefully I can capture some when it is starting to move. There you guys have it. We're installing some of the brake pads. This side.